Hello beauties! You always want to know what is the difference between eyeliner versus mascara. Today I want to answer it. Let's find out the difference eyeliner versus mascara. Let's start.
Eyeliner and mascara are two of the most basic and essential makeup products. They can be used to create a variety of looks, from natural to dramatic. However, there are some key differences between the two products. Okay, let's start with eyeliner. Eyeliner is applied to edge of the upper and lower eyelashes. It can be used to define the eyes, create a cat eye look, or even add a pop of color. Eyeliner is available in a variety of formulas, including liquid, pencil, and gel. Okay, now we are talking about mascara. Mascara is applied to the eyelash to make them appear and longer, thicker, and more defined. Mascara is available in variety of formulas, including waterproof, volumizing, and lengthening. However, there are some people who prefer to apply mascara first, followed by eyeliner. This is because mascara can help to hold the eyeliner in place. Ultimately, the best order to apply eyeliner and mascara is the one that works best for you.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for next update. Bye now.